Scout leaders, with the cost of living increasing, everything is going up, whether that's your food bills, council tax, petrol for your car. Got me thinking, what can we as Scout leaders do as a sideline to make a bit of money? So we've all got those skills as a Scout leader, but how can we make money from those skills? Well, I've got 10 ideas for you to make some extra money as a Scout leader. And it's not being paid as a Scout leader. We're all volunteers. Sad. If only the parents knew that. Let's become a team building organization. So we have those team building games that we do with Scouts and maybe with leaders when we're doing training. So let's use those to our best advantage. We could contact companies. We could run games for those companies who want to do team building, network exercises. So we go in with 10 of our very best team leading exercises and get those companies talking. You know, we've done them so many times as Scouts. Let's make some money from them. Number 2 got me thinking, we do a lot of photography in my Scouts. With the photography badge is a good one. We're always out and about. Let's become a photographer, a wildlife, an adventurer, a landscape photographer. There are lots of companies online that you can sell those photos to, whether that's for magazines or social media and stuff. So when you're at camp or going on a hike, take some time out, take some really amazing snaps of the landscape or wherever you are, maybe you're in an urban city, and you can sell those images and make some money. Now, I don't know if you're like me, but in my shed, in my loft, I have so much camping equipment that I don't use. Things that I've bought over time, pop-up tents, stoves, chairs, they all amalgamate to this big number, and I never get around to using them all. So I was thinking maybe we could rent them out. I get lots of parents during the summer holidays and at Christmas time asking me, Mark, have you got 2 sleeping bags and a tent? We're going camping and my family don't have enough tents. You could start renting those out. You could rent tables and chairs at Christmas time when people want to extend their Christmas meal table. They don't have a big enough table. Rent out the tables and chairs from the Scout Hall, make some fundraising for the Scout team. And, you know, just start using those equipment that you've got and make some money for that. Okay, maybe this one is for more of a fundraising for the group rather than you yourself as a leader. But if you're like me, you've got a kit you can rent out, do that. You could organize nature tours around your local park, around your area, litter picking, that kind of thing. Set up a group and get walking. We know how to read maps, so we could teach people how to use map and compass around the local area, get out in nature and just enjoy the weather, because lots of people want to get out, but they don't know how to read maps. So you could be a tour guide for your local area. This one I have done myself. Well, my daughter went to it and I was so surprised how much they charged. And it's a bushcraft birthday party. It was so expensive to attend this bushcraft party. And they didn't really do that much. They made a little teepee for their teddy bears, they played some games, and they roasted marshmallows over a little fire pit. That was it. And I think it was about 30 quid, 35 pounds for an hour and a half per child to attend this. We have those skills as Scout leaders, whether you're a firelighter expert or practitioner, whatever you want to call it. We've got those making models, arts and craft. We have some games that we can play. So start up your own bushcraft birthday party team. Make some money from it. Outdoor events planning, management, team, whatever you want to call it. I'm sure there's a big job title out there. And I know this exists for full-time people as well. Outdoor management. As Scout leaders, we organize camps. We maybe organize district camps, county camps, but even your section camp takes a lot of planning. Use that for your skills. You could do it as a job, as a side hustle. Outdoor management. Get those parties going in the park. You know, companies want to arrange network evenings, team building exercises. You can say, we can provide you that. I can provide you planning. I can get a location using your local campsite. Come to us. We'll do a barbecue, a campfire. So as I said in point 1 about team building exercises, you could incorporate this and plan the whole event for them. So they've got team building activities. They've got a campfire. We teach them how to cook over a campfire. Outdoor event management planning. Become a geocaching expert. There's lots of geocaching around here in London and stuff, but do I know how to use the app properly? No. Well, we could create maybe a tour company, a tour guide for those geocaching. Teach people how to do it, take them out and about, show them how to use the app, how to use a Garmin, and find those geocaching. Maybe it's just 1 hour a month or something, and become a team, become a tour guide, get around out and about, take people and show them how to be a geocaching master. Outdoor cooking classes. We love camping on a campfire. Us scout leaders, we get a campfire going and then we can create some kebabs, we can cook fish over it, we can make popcorn, we can do 3-course meals, we can do pizzas, we can do Dutch oven cooking. There's a whole lot of things that we know as scout leaders how to cook on a campfire. We can incorporate that. Everyone loves, as a scout leader, sitting around a campfire, recharging those batteries and just cooking something fresh from scratch. Not only tastes amazing, but it just feels good for the soul. So we could do some campfire outdoor cooking lessons. It doesn't have to be over a campfire. It can be barbecuing. People want to learn how to do proper barbecues. So whether that's on coals, gas, dirty word, but doing some outdoor cookery classes, make some extra money from that. Become an online outdoor gear guru, whatever you want to call yourself. Set up a blog, set up a vlog like I've done here, and review camping gear, review equipment, recommendations. I can tell you, I get lots of emails, and I do get parents coming up to me in the Scout Hall going, Mark, I need a new tent. Can you recommend a sleeping bag? Can you recommend what gas to use? Can you recommend some hiking shoes? I get that once, twice a month from parents in my Scout group, let alone the emails that I get and Instagram posts from Big Man in the Woods. So you can do exactly the same. Become an online expert in camping. Give those reviews and you can, believe me, make some quite amount of nice money from being online. Scout merchandise. Now, there are hundreds of these, so it might not be the best, but if you're making a little bit of money here and then, fantastic. You can set up an online t-shirt company where you don't actually print those t-shirts or ship them yourselves. There's quite a few online stores that do that kind of print on demand thing. You can do that. You can make these bad boys. You can make some stickers, badges. There's quite a lot of things that you can do Scout related to make a little bit of extra cash, whether that's making t-shirts, stickers, badges. The world is your oyster. You just got to think outside the box and make some money with Scout related items. So there goes, Scout leaders. Let's make a bit of extra cash and use our expertise and skills as a Scout leader. Maybe you are making money using your skills as a Scout leader and I haven't mentioned those. Comment below. I would love to know because we all want to make a bit of extra money. Times are hard, cost of living's going up, and it's just a bit of a hard time at the moment. So if we can use those skills as a Scout leader, let's use them to our best advantage and make some extra cash. Till next time, guys, see you next time here on Big Man in the Woods. Hey, don't forget, watch this playlist here and it'll help you become a better Scout leader. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.